Hello and welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this very quick and easy, delicious shrimp delight using frozen vegetable. Yes, you could do more of the frozen vegetable. You don't have to pop it in the microwave or steam it. You could also make this delicious dish in less than 10 minutes. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. Please check out the description box below for the full list of ingredients. I'm using a frozen vegetable from Costco, but you're welcome to use any frozen vegetable you have already in your freezer. I like this one because it comes with my favorite vegetables, and they are ready to go. This shrimp is also from Costco. Shrimp is known as hipon in the Philippines. We also have onions and garlic. We're just gonna chop the onions, just roughly chop the onions or cut it into cubes. I'm just using half of the medium-sized white onion, but you could use any onion, red or yellow, whichever you prefer. Now let's move on to the garlic. I'm just using 4 cloves of garlic. You're going to mince or dice the garlic. If you have a garlic already minced in a jar, you're welcome to use that as well. Now in a wok or a skillet, add oil. Cook the shrimp until they're done, or the color turns into orange. Make sure you pat that dry before you cook it so it won't splatter. Flip it on the other side to make sure that the other side of the shrimp is cooked as well. When both sides are done, simply push the shrimp on the side of the skillet and add the onions. I'm using medium to low heat. And now add the garlic. Cook until both of the garlic and onions are golden brown. Make sure to stir fry it. Don't let it sit in the skillet or it will get stuck on the bottom of the skillet, and you don't want that. Cover, let it cook for 1 minute, and cover, and now you're going to stir fry it again. Add soy sauce. You could adjust the soy sauce, depends on your liking. Add the frozen vegetable. Again, you're welcome to use any frozen vegetable. Then season it with your special stir-fry seasoning. You don't have to use what I use here. You could just use ground black pepper and salt. But this combination is always add a good taste to my stir-fry. This is the first time I'm gonna use the saffron and turmeric into a stir-fry. Continue stir-frying the vegetable until everything are combined. Then you could add chicken stock, about 1/4 cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you're welcome to use water. Mix until combined. cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now let's move on to the cashews. I'm going to toast the cashews. Cashews are optional, but I like that crunchiness add to my stir fry. It adds character and flavor as well. Make sure stir fry extra special. I'm just cooking the cashews using a little bit of oil, and I'm cooking this in medium to low heat. Cook this until they're brown, or really depends on your preference. Once that's done, set it aside. Now our vegetable and shrimp are ready. All you have to do is taste it. You could adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is a very quick and easy dish. All you need is frozen vegetable. And you could also substitute shrimp if you don't like shrimp with just chicken or no meat at all. Now let's transfer it to a serving plate. This stir fry smells so good as well. Using saffron and turmeric add a lot of goodness flavor to this stir fry. I will definitely going to be using the turmeric and saffron combination with my stir fry recipes. Hope you like this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to top it with your toasted cashews. There you go. Thank you everyone for visiting our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Until next time, ciao!